Okay, Traptrix structure deck. The Traptrix may appear cute on the surface, but if you get too close, they'll devour you whole. These carnivorous plants and insects are always on the hunt for your opponent's monsters. First, Traptrix monsters help you set powerful hole traps that you can drop your opponent's monsters that right out of the duel. Then they gather together to feast on your opponent's life points. This structure deck comes with a wide array of useful trap cards you can use to power up any deck. Yeah, you can see big hitters. Been waiting on this one for a while to get my hands on it, so let's do it. Keep the box in good shape. Okay, let's look at the mat first. Ah, beautiful, yes. Traptrix themselves. And here's the strategies on the back. Oh, that's neat. That's neat. Research the Traptrix, the carnivorous creatures. That's awesome. So, let's get to the main course. Okay, finally got it. Okay. Awesome. I think it's Pundika. Traptrix Garden. Trap Tantalizing Tune. Discard one level 4 insect or plant monster or one normal trap. Draw 2 cards. Okay. There's your XYZ. Traptrix Penguin. I think Penguinka. Traptrix Artipus, as I say it. I don't know how to say that name at all. There's a big one. I've been waiting a while. Evenly matched. Really what I'm going to run. Traptrix Holeta. Okay. Artrix. Marimeo. Nepethys. Ionia. Gensela. Viscoloska. Got some Kaijus. Sticky String Kaiju. Retiring Sea. Resonance Insect. Lone Fire Blossom. Ash Blossom. A big hitter in this one. Rose Lover. Sage. Salty Flare. A Make Night Purple Nightfall. Make Night Blue Sky. Artifact. Mortaltic. Fire Hand. Ice Hand. Thunder Hand. Oh, a big one. A Regeki. Harpy's Feather Duster. And to our traps. Yes. So you're going to have Terrifying Trap Hole Nightmare. You're going to have Trap Hole himself, the OG. Bomber's Trap Hole. I guess another you would say OG. 2 Bomber Trap Holes. Okay. Void Trap Hole. Traptrix Trap Hole Nightmare. 2 of those. Floodgate Trap Hole. Gravedigger's Trap Hole. Traptrix. Defensive Knights of Shade. Brigadine. Artifact Sanctum. Naturia Sacred Tree. And let's go to our XYZs and have other big hitters. Refracera. Alamoris, yeah. Korea. And Sarah. This is a big one you want to run. This is one of the main links, yeah. And Mantis. That's a big one you want as well. Mantis. So yeah, overall this deck stacks up pretty good. I mean, this is what you get. You get that in itself is OP. Nonetheless, you're going to be running. You play, structure deck with these. 3 Mantis, 3 Sarah, 3 of these. I don't know about him. Yeah, one of these. One of these. Don't know about him yet. I have to think about it. Of course, going to run 3 of these. 2 of those. Yeah. And like I said, all of the trap poles that come with it. Maybe a couple, 3 copies. But yeah, guys. Great structure deck. Can't wait to try it out on Master Duel and doing the Nexus. So you guys, thanks for watching and stay tuned till next time. Thanks.